JP Morgan says that this is the bear market now because we had a dip. That is the biggest buy signal I have ever heard in my life. They never know what they're talking about. You want to see something else that's funny? Check this out. We got the Meek buy indicator. They said Meek Mill trying to kill Bitcoin and Tesla in one day. So Meek Mill sent out a tweet and said, hey, you guys learn about Bitcoin and learn about stocks. Or he said learn about crypto or learn about stocks. And the I'm sorry, I just thought that was funny. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about some of these Bitcoin cryptocurrency charts and the dollar index, because that's what gives us a clue when this price is going to be doing something stupid like it's doing right now. Also, I want to talk to you guys about one altcoin that's a freaking sleeper, and if you believe in what tokens can do, because I'm becoming more and more of a fan of, hey, you know what, tokenization is going to be huge in the future. So I want to bring up a coin that I talked about on this channel before. I made a couple videos about it. I'll put those up in the cards in some time in this video. Look out for it, because I'm not going to remember the timestamp. All right, so first thing I want to talk about is not the Meek Mill tweet, but I just thought that was pretty funny. First thing I want to talk about is Bitcoin, of course. So right now Bitcoin had a nice dip. It was 30% dip. Wasn't everybody asking for a 30% dip? They said, hey, Bitcoin is going to have a 30% dip sometime soon. It was more about looking more like about 27%, whatever, close enough. We are getting that. Now if I zoom this thing in, I'm hoping that some type of flag forms here. I'm hoping some type of flag forms here. Damn, my bad. I'm hoping that some type of flag forms in here, some type of pendant or something. It's way too early to be trying to draw a structure. This is the weekly chart. It's way too early to be trying to draw anything. Looking on the daily chart, we're barely having a dip for 3 days. That's not bad at all. But you can see that we have some levels. My level is 19,922. We hit that level, something bad happened if we hit that level, just put it that way. Right now Bitcoin dips down to the 29, almost below 30,000, and bounced up pretty cool. It bounced up $3,000, you know, in no time. That's pretty great already today. And yeah, what, this line is actually holding up. That's crazy. But yeah, hopefully it just ranges in here then, right? If it ranges in here, then we can get some type of flag. Ivan on text said hopefully it doesn't do something like this. Wait, that's not it. Hopefully it doesn't do something like this, you know, which will be some type of head and shoulders and then come back down all the way to 25,000. But, you know, it's Mayday if we start going down to 19,000 for sure. But at least I want to hold this $25,000 level going down, coming back up. We just need to pass above 41,000 for this at this point in time to just make me feel better about Bitcoin. But I just want Bitcoin to range right here and just squeeze and range right here for a minute and give the Bitcoin dominance time to slow down. So this was the Bitcoin dominance chart that I had put up on this channel before. So it hit some of these levels and it's coming back down. The cool thing is it came down and then it retested this level, and then now it's like doing its thing. So I'm hoping that this could continue down, and if it doesn't continue down, let's get a whole bunch of more money flowing into cryptocurrency overall to pump our altcoins, because I've been slowly accumulating, because I still think that come time for altcoins to run, it's gonna be fun. Like, we're gonna have a good time come time alts to run, seeing that, like, you know, you might be like, dang, well, they're down, you know, 20%, 30%, 40% today, you know, 20%, the highest ones. But it's cool. All these coins pumped for a long time. Some people who are new, you're not used to these dumps. You know, you're not used to losing 20% of your money. And hey, that's just something you got to deal with if you're trying to go through this market. ETH fees are ridiculous, so let me know what you guys doing or what you guys are doing to counteract the ETH fees. I'm going back to centralized exchanges and making sure that I take my cryptocurrency off of those exchanges. So I forgot to mention, we hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel, and I promise that once I hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel, appreciate you guys, by the way. Shout out to the newbies that are new to everything currency. Shout out to you guys. So I'm going to be giving away one of these right here. This is a SafePal crypto wallet. I'm going to be dropping a video about this tomorrow. So SafePal reached out to me and said, hey, check out our wallet and see if you want to do a review on it. So I'm going to holler at them real soon, and I'm going to try to get something else going and see if we can give out maybe 2 of these bad boys. These SafePal wallets, pretty dope. Has a camera right on the wallet right here. And what I'm going to do is, because when I gave out a wallet before on this channel, and we had some issues about like, hey, are you sure this isn't a scam? You know, so what I'm going to do is, when you send me your address, if you win this, I'll just talk to the winner about it, put it that way. But the winner's going to get one of these, and it's going to be in a way to where even I won't have any way to get the private keys and stuff like that. So this wallet is pretty dope. It's about the size of a business card. It's like that. There'll be a video about this wallet tomorrow. So we're at 2,000. We'll do that video. Let's say, I'll let you know when to drop a comment. I'll probably do the video on the live stream, the giveaway, on the live stream. Well, don't forget, when we get to 3,000, there's going to be a Bitcoin giveaway. So the altcoin that I wanted to talk to you guys about is going to have to wait, because first I wanted to talk to you guys about the dollar index, which is what's giving us some pretty good indications of what's going on. What the heck? I had drawn some stuff on here before. Let me zoom into the daily to see what I was drawing. I had drawn some stuff on this chart before, because I was trying to see when this thing was going to break out, and it followed these lines pretty amazingly, and it jumped up, and that's why we've seen a nice dip in the Bitcoin and all that stuff. This is the 4-hour chart. What I'm hoping to see is a retest, let Bitcoin run some more. Overall, Bitcoin and this thing is like matching up. When this thing goes up, Bitcoin just goes down. It only makes sense. It's just like when the altcoins go up. Just like when Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins go down, like Bitcoin dominance, stuff like that. So keeping an eye on this chart right here. It's been working out pretty awesome for me. Now I want to talk a little bit about JRT, and the reason why I want to talk a little bit about JRT is because I'm becoming more and more excited about synthetic assets and tokenization, and that's what JRT is all about. If I can get this website to load. Also, follow me on Twitter at Everthing Currency, spelled like this, kind of weird. EVRYTHG currency, and that's because they wouldn't let me put the whole name. They didn't give me enough characters. But yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'm usually doing updates and talking my crap on Twitter, about the crypto market or whatever. So follow me on there if you're into that. Also, I'm on Instagram, Everything Currency, and I'm on TikTok, and I'll start posting on there more if you guys are on there. The Jarvis Reward token down 20% today, so on sale right now. The market cap's been sitting at 10 million for a while, and now it's at 7.3 with a circulating supply of about 90 million tokens. Take a look at Jarvis Reward token. Now what they do is, here's their website, bringing decentralized finance to everyone. And what I really am getting excited about, like I mentioned before, is tokenization and synthetic assets. So SNX has been one of the top performers, and look, it's actually right there, and it's actually trending right now, and it's at 1.6 billion right now, because synthetic assets is huge for cryptocurrency, and Jarvis is doing some cool things within that space at a only $7 million market cap. It's a very low cap gem. If this thing can get 50% of what SNX did, haha, you know what I'm saying? Haha, Birdman money hands. But we're on a mission to bring traditional assets to Ethereum using synthetic assets, and we need additional people to join us. So right now they're hiring, which is always good to see your project that you're holding hiring, because that means they're pushing along and getting things done, marking things off the list, and that's just always great. So good to see that Jarvis reward token is doing their thing, and I just want to bring that to your guys' radar again, because you know, I've been quiet about that token for a while, but it is sitting there. It's been beaten up like crazy. It's trickled down to the bottom depths of my portfolio, and after, you know, getting some new thoughts on tokenization and becoming really bullish on it, I had to take another look at JRT. So I encourage you to do the same. As always, this is not financial advice. What you do with your funds is your responsibility. So do your own research, avoid scams. Do not ever send crypto out that you don't expect to get back. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Appreciate y'all. Till next time, peace.